We have the low mount fender eliminator. Everything's in there. Here is the part number. This is also from TST. We're gonna be installing that in today's video. And the license plate light. That's the part number from TST as well. And let me show you guys what else we got. We got this big box. Who can guess what we got in here? This is gonna be shown in the next video, so don't worry about this. Let's get to work with this. All right, so we just get first. We gotta take this out. Just pull it. There you go. That comes out. So now up here, we just gotta remove this one, and this one, which are 4 bolts that's holding on the undertail. But before we do that, we need to unplug it. So I think it's this one. I think. Oh man, what? How many are there? 2? There you go. You gotta hold both sides. They both got clips. It's not even showing. Let me move you guys back a little bit. Right here. It's right tucked in there. Just pull this out and unclip this. You still can push it through, but once you get those 4 bolts out, the whole tail will just drop down and you can remove it. That one is out. Got the first one. Come on. There you go. Damn, this one's long. Up. See, the tail is already starting to drop. So let's hold it right here. Got my little helper with me today. Hold it. Go put your shoes on or your chanclas. The floor is wet. And he's out here in socks. He tripping. Too bad. I'm not gonna need him no more because I'm gonna keep it pushing. So now, this is out. All of this is gonna get loose now, so I can just push this up. I just lost one of the clips. I'm gonna try to finagle it through here. Probably coming this way will work. There you go. He's got to come in through the front. I was trying to go through this side. Got to come in through right here, and then it comes out. So now, for the cover that goes back there, we got to drill out these 2 holes. And this is the middle one. This is for the license plate light. If you're gonna use the license plate light, you drill that one. I'm not gonna do it right now, so I'm gonna just drill out these 2. Hold it over here. You don't want to get your hand in the way.
Yeah.
There you go. See, they look very good. You gotta clean them up out here with a little blade. And that's it. What? No, I'm not gonna use that one. Not yet.
Yeah.
I know, but wait. I'm trying to clean this up. But before I put this on, I want to do something. I want to bend it a little bit more. That way the plate is more tucked in. So let's see if we can do this. My knees. Probably on the floor. Let's see. It's kind of hard, but I think it worked a little bit. I don't know. I mean, it did because it cracked a little bit right here, the paint. So it is what it is. So now we need to mount the plate mount. This is where the plate goes. So you're gonna go into the supplied hardware. You're gonna grab the M6, I think it is. You're gonna get a washer and a locking nut. This is hard. Oh, go ahead. Just push it through. Never. Wait, where's the washer? It's right there. Oh, this is a mess. To do this thing, it's harder than I thought. There you go. So this is how it should look. You're gonna go to the other side. Put two little washers here. The two other small ones that we got right here. Grab the nuts. Snug them on there. So now after removing the tail, we're left with this big empty space right here. So now we're gonna grab this bolt. There's two of them. We're gonna put them in there, right in there. Put this up here, just like that. Up, I just dropped one. Come in here. There you go. Grab a washer. These are for the big washers. Put it up there. And grab a nut. This little nut. And thread it up there. You see, and they come up out here on top. Now we're gonna grab these two. I mean, there's one here. These are Phillips screws. I'm gonna put the washer, put it in there. Because these we gotta thread it into the holes down there. Let's go. Remember, you don't want to put it too tight, because you don't want any issues. Just make sure the fitment is good, and that's it. Because this is plastic, you don't want to mess up the threads on the plastic. I mean, there are no threads in there, but you know, you get what I'm saying. Now that this is on there, all we have to do left is install the plate, and that's it. Let me see, because I bent it back a little bit, so it might be a little bit harder. I guess not. Guess it was gonna be harder, but it wasn't. I need to get different hardware because I don't like these bolts with these reflective things. It doesn't look too good for me. But that's the final look right there. Of course, I put my plate the other way, but that's how it's gonna look. It's all the way tucked in there, nice and neatly. Which I might probably bend it a little bit more, so it can be more flush. I don't know, but it is what it is. I'll leave it like that for now. It's a Grom, nothing crazy. Does it look good? But there's an issue. There's no turn signals back here, so we're gonna install my integrated tail light, but you guys are not gonna see it in this video. So subscribe and get ready to watch this video in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked it, and then see ya later.